Let's have a quick look on how to draw the straight line on your graph and what I can and cannot see with my calculator in exam mode. The first thing I want to do if I want to draw y equals 2x plus 7 is I want to add a graph, which I'm going to use my touchpad to go to. I'm going to click on the graph and they're going to ask me to insert a graph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say y, so fx is already y, so equals 2x plus 7, enter. Now you can see that I can't see the top, so if I want to change the window, I'm going to go to document. I'm going to go to menu. I'm going to go to 4, which is Windows. I'm going to say window setting, enter, so that's 1. And I'm going to choose what I want. Now, minus 10 was fine at the bottom. I can, if I want to make that negative 5. My x maximum was fine, or we can say, let's make that 8. Scale is automatic. Y minimum, that was fine, that was negative 10. And my Y maximum, let's make that positive 10 because I couldn't see it there. I'm going to say tab to go through to OK, enter, and now I can see all my points. If I want to know what those points are, for the x value, all I have to do is to find any x value. I'm just going to say menu. I'm going to say analyze graph, so I'm going to go down, or 6, and I'm going to say what is my 0 points. So to find my 0 points, that is where y equals 0. They ask what's your lower boundary. Now I can move this hand to the left of that point there. I'm going to say enter once, and they ask me where's my upper boundary, and I'm just going to take it to the other point. And I see that is negative 3.5. So that's my x-intercept. To find my y-intercept, I can't do the same with the y-intercept. So what I want to do is I want to know what is that point where y equals 0. So to do what now? So that is where y is 0. So I'm going to draw the straight line. So I'm going to go and say tab, and it's going to give me a new equation. I want to know where y equals 0. So y, that is y equals 0, enter. No, it's not what I want. I want to know where x is 0, sorry. So all I have to do, my bad, I'm going to go to menu. I'm going to say trace, so which is 5, graph trace, enter, and I'm just going to press 0. That will tell me where x is 0. I want to know where x is 0, enter, and it will show me that that is the y-intercept is 7. So x, when x is 0, y is 7. It also shows me what the graph is, so the gradient is still 2. So the only thing that you have to remember, that this graph carries on forever into that direction, and carries on forever into that direction. And this is like a little window that I only look at. So I can go and say menu and change that zoom in and out and in and out until I know what it is. So if I say zoom out, which is 4, just to give you an idea, and I say this is going to be my center, you can see that that graph, it's the same graph, but the further you go out, this will go on forever because this is already minus 208, and this is positive 207. This is negative. So this line, by zooming in and out, all you do is you're looking at the specific area that has been given to you.